I'm going to be showing you 3 different styles that you can achieve using a small wow, what is going on with me? Hi guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Aisha, or Aishcream for those of you that are new to my channel, and I post videos once a week on a Sunday. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today's video is for, you know, those times when you have your beautiful African clothes made for you but the scarf is pretty small and you don't really know what to do with it. So today I'm going to help you out and show you 3 different styles that you can achieve using a small scarf. So this is the scarf that I'm working with. I wore this, you will have seen it in my vlog if you watched it. I'll link it up here if you haven't, you can watch it. And it's this scarf here. So it's probably like a meter long and it's like this wide, if you can see it. Can you see this? This is how wide it is. And it's not consistently the same width either. So it's just basically like what was left over. And by the way, this outfit, again, if you've not seen it, look on my Instagram or watch my previous vlog and you'll see the full outfit. It's gorgeous and it was made for me by House of Cad on Instagram. She's so talented, like seriously talented. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to show you the 3 styles. Let's get straight into this video because I feel like I'm rambling on now. Okay, so this first style is the one that I wore last week, or a couple of weeks ago. And I first of all start off by folding it a couple of times. Now, you can fold it more than that, but if you do it too much and your scarf's really small, then you'll have nothing left. So be careful not to fold it too much. Okay, then you just place it on your head. The 2 sides are pretty much equal. And then you basically put it on kind of right up at the top of your head, if that makes sense. And I did mine at a bit of an angle as well. You don't have to, but I like that angled look. Okay, and then you need to just take the 2 sides to the back, cross them over, and then just kind of gather it together in your hands. And then you bring the left side over to the front, and then the right side goes over and then just tucks in. So you can see here, this is a really small scarf, but you can achieve a really cute look with it. Excuse the morning voice, by the way. I seem to have a habit of doing my voiceovers in the morning when I sound all croaky. And that's literally it. Then just adjust until you're happy with it. Really, really easy. It looks a lot more kind of complicated and intricate than it actually is. So yep, just adjust. And I wasn't happy with a little bit sticking out there, so I just readjusted that and just tuck it in. Make sure you tuck it in well. And if you feel like it may come undone, then you can pin that bit that you tucked in, you can pin it to the scarf just for additional security. I personally didn't, and it didn't come out the whole day when I did it for the Eid event that I went to. And I felt like I needed bigger earrings, but this one definitely didn't suit. But yeah, how cute is that style though? I love it. One of my favorite styles ever. I think it's so like elegant, so classy. And then I changed my earrings again because those other ones just didn't go. But yeah, let me know down below if you like this one and if you would try this one out yourself as well. I'm so extra sometimes, guys. So this next style, you need to start with the scarf from the back, working to the front of your head. Like I am doing now, like frame your face, all that stuff, you know, adjust yourself and all that good. Okay, so one of the sides should be longer, especially if your scarf is pretty short, okay? So make one side longer, one side shorter. If your scarf is really short, you can make one side even longer and then the other side shorter, and then you just twist it around. Twist. This is a familiar one, by the way. It's just the top bun thing. And then notice how I kind of wrap the smaller side inside so it's not like sticking out. Okay, just waiting for it to focus. My camera is going so weird with its focus. Anyway, then you just wrap it around. Like I said, this is a familiar one. Then just tuck it in. So The reason for doing it the way I did is because if I made the two sides even, then I would have struggled to get it to wrap around enough times to hold secure. So yeah, that's why I did it the way I did. And voila, there you have it. This cute style, so simple but so cute. You can't go wrong with a top bun. Okay, this next style, again, you're starting from the back, working your way to the front, the two sides even on this one, twist the two sides, twist it again, and then tuck the right side under securely as I am doing, and then just tuck any kind of stray bits like so. And then, guys, by the way, let me let you in on a little secret. I totally made this style up as I was going. I didn't actually know what I was going for. Most of my styles start off that way, if you didn't realize already. So I'm just tidying bits up, tucking bits in, yada yada yada. Okay, and then take that other side and just open it out, fan it out, and then literally just tuck it in at the two sides, and voila, just like that. There you go. And it's a style, no? Ta-da! And I think I was happy with the look of that. So yeah, there we have it. So simple, so easy, totally made up, but it works, right? So that's style number 3, I think. Yes, number 3. Just one more to go. By the way, I started talking through like the tutorial, but then I needed so much concentration, so I stopped, which is why I'm talking in that video but doing a voiceover, just in case you're wondering. Anywho, so for this one, similar to the other one, start by twisting the two sides over, but this time you only do it the once, and then you simply take the two sides to the back. Now if your scarf is long enough, tie it. Mine isn't long enough, so I had to just tuck the two ends in securely. And then what am I saying now? Oh yeah, I was saying that basically I didn't use volume for this. Sometimes if you use volume with a short scarf, it kind of makes it shorter, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's what I was going on about. So just tidy things up, tuck things in, and then I just pushed it back a bit because I like that push back look. Okay. And yes, I just tuck it in, and there you have it. So simple, but it looks cute. I think it does anyway. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you'll give any of these a try. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment before you leave. Love yous. Bye.